These past few weeks, sobrang busy namin mag-asawa, kaya gusto talaga namin bumawi sa mga kids. At dahil this Monday, walang pasok si Daddy, kaya napagpasyahan namin pumunta sa Yoki's Farm dito sa May Mendez, Cavite. Because we just needed a breather, kaya road trip talagang malala. Pagpasok pa lang, sobrang presko na, napakadaming puno, ang daming greens at napakaaliwalas, parang kang nag-transform to another planet. Una naming dinaanan nitong koi fish pond. Napakadami nila at super relaxing manood habang pinapakain sila. May stingrays din pala which was sobrang unexpected para sa amin kasi nakakatuwa na up close talaga siya. After namin sa koi fish pond, grabe, super excited tong mga bata dahil nakita nila itong malaking playground sa gitna ng nature. Slides, seesaws, swings, parang park meets zoo ang datingan nitong Yoki's Farm. So the kids went wild in a good way. Tingnan mo, takbo, sobrang grabe. Dito nila nilabas ang kanilang mga energy at sugar na kinain nila, 'di ba? Nako, sobrang saya nila. Parang ayaw na nga nilang lumibot kasi dahil dito sa napakalaking playground ni Yoki's Farm. Nakakatuwa ba kasi parang nasolo talaga namin tong playground na to. So next up is baboon and the capybara. So fun fact lang about baboons. Baboons can recognize over 100 individual faces. Oo, ganun kadami. Both baboon and human. So their strong memory helps them maintain complex social structures in the wild. Grabe, 'di ba? Sobrang galing talaga ng mga baboons. And itong capybara ay isa talaga to sa dinayo namin kasi super love nila Lindon ng capybara. And fun fact about capybara, it is the largest rodent in the world. But they are super chill and friendly. So they are like giant guinea pigs pero kalmado lang. Also, this capybara, kapapanganak lang din pala niya. And by this time, yung baby niya, ititrain niya para matutong lumangoy. So, this is one of the training para matuto agad yung baby niya outside the world. Fun fact again, sa capybaras, they can nap with other animals. Very sociable sila. May mga colorful parrots din. Hindi sila nagsasalita, pero they are super friendly and chill. Hindi sila grabe. Sobrang sarap nilang ipet. Tuwan-tuwa yung kids. Sobrang amazing kids. And we met alpacas. Yes, the fluffy ones. They're gentle, soft, and kids could pet them. Grabe, sobrang cute nila tingnan from afar. Parang real-life stuffed toy talagang itsura nila. And for the brave ones, may chance to touch snakes and reptiles. So for now, ako, grabe, super go na go ako dito humawak ng snake. But the kids, first, sobrang natakot sila. Pero, tinry nilang hawakan itong snake na to. And good thing, sobrang natuwa sila nung natouch nila yung skin ng snake. This part is great for building their confidence and curiosity. Kaya, and ayan nga, nauhaw pa, water break, si little madam nyo. So next station, literal na zoo experience. Oo, may zebras, ostrich, horses, goats, and pigs. You can feed them and observe up close. Ang cute ng mga ostrich at super laki nila and na-enjoy talaga ng kids magpakain sa mga animals na to because akala lang nila sa buksan nila pwedeng makita pero ngayon sobrang nahahawakan pa nila. This part is so interactive, hindi lang tingin, talagang hands-on. Kids were so engaged the whole time. About naman sa rate, ifo-flash ko na lang sa screen kung magkano yung rates ni Yoki's Farm. Pero itong in-avail namin is yung animal encounter rate which is 900 pesos siya sa regular and the children price is 800 pesos. Pero free yung bunso ko kasi below 3 feet siya. So, check nyo na lang yung rates nito dito sa ifo-flash ko sa screen. So we also saw their Alaskan Malamute na so fluffy and calm. Then may rabbit area na super cute and pwedeng magpakain. Itong mga kids sumayo pa sa loob ng pen ng mga rabbit at ang cute nila. Dahil sa sobrang saya ng kids, talagang napahandshake sila at hindi nila makontain yung happiness nila. Look! They're super cute kasi nag-e-enjoy talaga sila. At ayan na, hinawakan pa nila yung rabbit na to. So, one of the bonus part dito sa Yoki's Farm, meron silang antique museum. Unexpected but super interesting naman nakita namin kagamitan dito. May old phones, swords, statues, even rare coins and artifacts. Before heading home, we stopped to feed the giant tortoises. Sobrang slow but charming creatures sila. The kids said goodbye and we promised to come back. It was a day full of fun, learning, and memories. So, thank you so much, Yoki's Farm. We'll definitely be back soon. At super excited kami sa mga bagong parating nila. Like sabi nila, magkakaroon daw sila ng flamingos. And yeah, super na-enjoy namin tong short and quick trip namin dito sa Yoki's Farm. So, hopefully, you could visit them din, guys. I'm so sure na magugustuhan talaga ng kids nyo itong quick but short adventure nyo dito sa Yoki's Farm. Hindi lang toys ang pwede nating ibigay sa mga anak natin. Busugin natin sila sa memories na talagang magiging core memory nila. Dito na rin pala kami sa Reynaldo Smokehouse, nag-late lunch, and the kids, parang nasolo talaga din namin tong restaurant kasi kami lang kumakain halos. And ayan yung mga in-order namin, konti lang salad, tapos steak na ribs and chicken. And nag-side trip na rin kami dito sa May Taal. So ayun na. Follow for more.